budge outdoors, snug in your bed while the test is done. You can count your blessings and things will come.
Whoa! I guess now. Well, yeah. Blow in my nose, one more time. One more time. Chase, that's fine. Hey, I give him permission to get the shit.
Yeah, I do too. Get him, Gatsby.
Yell at him.
Gatsby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get him. Ew.